Hi students, today I am going to discuss about area of bounded region. So here students, first of all we will discuss about area of region bounded by the curves, lines and axes. So here students, let's start case 1. So our case 1 is area bounded by the curve y is equal to fx, line x is equal to a and x is equal to b and x axis. Okay, so the graph will be here, and graph this is x-axis, this is y-axis, and this is origin here students. So now let curve y is equal to fx, so let y is equal to fx with the curve, y is equal to fx with the curve, when the line x is equal to a and this is x is equal to b. Okay, so and this is x-axis. Okay, so here students, the area of this shaded region is equal to area is equal to, we can write as a finite integral, we can write it here, integration from a to b fy a to b y dx is equal to integration from a to b y is equal to fx here, so here will be fx dx. Okay, now case 2 is area bounded by the curve, x is equal to fy, y is equal to a, y is equal to b and y-axis. Okay, so their graph is students here, this is x-axis, y-axis, and this is origin. Okay, so here students, let x is equal to fy with the curve, x is equal to fy with the curve. Okay, and let y is equal to a and here is equal to y is equal to b with the lines, and this is y-axis. This is y-axis. So the area is here student, this shaded was is the area covered by the curve x is equal to fy, y is equal to a, y is equal to b and y-axis. Okay, so area is equal to here students, area is equal to integration from a to b x dy is equal to integration from a to b x is equal to fy, that means fy dy. Okay, now case 3 students, case 3 students, area between two curves. Area between two curves. Okay, so now discuss about their graph. Here students, is x-axis is the origin and this is y-axis. Okay, so now let y is equal to fx with the curve, and this is the y is equal to gx with the curve, and this is x is equal to a, and this is x is equal to b. Okay, so our area, student, this is the area bounded by the curve, bounded by the two curve y is equal to fx and y is equal to gx. So for finding the area of this shaded region, students, here will be area is equal to integration from a to b fx dx minus integration from a to b gx dx. Okay, student, so this is the area is equal to students, the area covered by the curve y is equal to fx, the line x is equal to a and x is equal to b, and x-axis, and this is x-axis, minus area bounded by the curve y is equal to gx, the line x is equal to a, x is equal to b, and x-axis. So here will be, students, finally we can write area is equal to integration from a to b fx minus gx dx. Okay, so by the help of this concept we will solve further questions. So watch this concept carefully for finding the area of bounded region. Thank you so much.